Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Corinne, and today we're going to be giving this adorable side table a coastal makeover, so stay tuned. Cleaning it off with some all-purpose cleaner with no chemicals. Then I'm going to start painting it with Rust-Oleum chalked chiffon cream. I'll link this down below for you. It's a really pretty antique white color, so I'm going to apply 2 coats of that, and once it's completely dry I will meet you back to show you how I do the dry brushing. Please excuse my laptop. I'm obviously watching The Vampire Diaries while I do this. It's such a stress reliever to me to be doing something creative and watching TV at the same time. I put my brush in a plastic baggie in between coats so that it doesn't dry out. And here I'm going to put the second coat on everything and let that dry completely. To start dry brushing, I'm going to use Waverly Chalk Paint Truffle and this little craft brush that I got from Michael's in one of my previous sale videos. So you get a piece of cardboard or a paper plate or something to offload the excess paint, and once you've dipped your brush in just a little bit, you're going to wipe off all the excess onto that cardboard before you start applying it to your piece, and that is the technique called dry brushing. So I didn't really know that I was going coastal with this. I just thought that I was going to try dry brushing and see what it looked like, and I got a little carried away and decided to do a whole bunch of different colors, so I will just let you watch how this process unfolded. Dry brushing sort of gives it the same finish as sanding, or the same effect as sanding would give it. It goes into all of the places that would have naturally worn over time, in all the detailing in the corners and things. And I liked this brown, but honestly in person it just looked like you had rolled it around in the mud, and I didn't like it as a finished product, and so I decided to add some other colors and turn it into something completely different. So here's where it gets fun. I go in with Waverly's Hazelnut and I start adding this beautiful caramel color around all the details on this drawer, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is really fun and it looks so much better, and it just all kind of went downhill from there. So now we're going in with some Rust-Oleum chalked Serenity blue. This is the step that actually turned it into a coastal piece in my head. I really thought that the drawer looks like a mermaid chest or something that you would find in like the Little Mermaid, especially with the hardware that originally came on this. So I ended up going in a very coastal direction after this with the blue, and then I ended up adding gold. The finishing touches are what really makes it. So I'm gonna go in with this gold gilding wax. I'll link it down below for you. I got it on Amazon. I think I paid like 20 bucks for a set of 2 or something. And I've got this cute old Christmas plate that I just glob some out on so I can close the lid and the rest of it won't dry up. And I literally just use my finger and start rubbing this on all of the detail in any which way that I like. And once I see that it's gonna turn out okay, I go crazy with this gold all over the entire piece. I love how this piece turned out. It is completely different than what I started off thinking it would look like. It just looks like a mermaid table and so coastal and cute. I staged it with a basket, then I also staged it without the basket and tried to get all the different angles so you could see the different colors and the gold shining through. I love the hardware with this piece. It looks absolutely amazing. I did end up selling it, not for as much as I would have liked to, just because it's so custom. So I only sold it for like $45, but I had so much fun creating this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you see my next project. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.